everyone. Myself, Stanley Matthias, and I work as a project manager in the pharma sector, dealing with process equipments. And for a long time, I have been thinking uh, of many goals, but there was no direction. It was all just superficial uh, from the last 6 months. So, just as you say, the universe helps you in some way or the other. So RYB happened and it gave a direction to the thoughts and to the goals that I have. So I was able to put it into this vision board. I never heard of a thing called vision board. It's only through RYB being exposed to this and the various talks given by the mentors helped me in a way to direct my goals and to put it on paper.
तने कोई था है कोई कोने घरे फोन की तो सुबह देखा हंस को दुकान आई गया.
Please mute all of you.
Done. You can start.
So the basic principle of whatever you have in thought, unless you put it on paper, what I learned is unless you put it on paper, you cannot manifest it. So starting the first vision board, there are 7 aspects to my life which I have put on this vision board is spiritual, health, relationships, career, wealth, hobbies, and social responsibility. To begin with, spirituality is the center of my life, and I firmly believe in Jesus Christ and his teachings. And the 2 verses from the Bible which are close to my heart is I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And the concept explained by whatever you desire, the universe will give it to you. So the second sentence in the Bible which is close to my heart is delight in the Lord and he will give you the desires of your heart. My spiritual goal is, being a Christian for so many years, I haven't completed reading the Bible. So in the next 6 months, I would want to complete reading the entire Bible and also actively be a leader in the church. The second part is related to health. All the other goals can be met if I am healthy. And I can be healthy if I exercise regularly. It's for the last 1.5 years, I have stopped my exercise and I'm feeling very lethargic. So feeling motivated right now, and I would start my health or exercise routine daily. To complement exercises, we need to have a healthy diet. We have started already having a healthy diet, home cooked food, but want to prepare a list of having a balanced diet. So with healthy body, healthy diet, I also have started meditating, and I want, the main thing is to keep on practicing whatever I have put here. The most important thing is to practice it throughout my life. So meditation is what I have already started 4 months back, and having a healthy body, a healthy mind, that would enlighten the inner soul, that would take care of the emotional part of me also. After health, the most important thing in my life is my family. The job that I was in, I had to travel frequently, but now the travel has become less, and therefore giving more time to the family is my priority. Just to share my personal story, we have been married now for several years. We have gone through a couple of miscarriages. So through love, and I still hope that God will bless us with children. So I have put a picture of a child here and spend more time with, give time for friends. Because of my schedule, I have lost touch with many friends. So they say that being in touch with friends increases your longevity of life. So that is where I want to improve. In the next every month, I would call at least 2 friends and try and meet up as frequently as I can. Also have a balanced work relationship with my colleagues, work and personal relationship with my colleagues. The next important thing is I want to be an entrepreneur. I've been in this pharma field for the last 25 years. I want to start my own company. I want to register my own company. So in the next 6 months, I'm going to do this. I'm also in talk with some foreign collaboration in the same field. I want to get newer technologies into this segment. And to complement this, I would also need to improve my skills. So I want to enroll for some programs which would help me to do this. I've already enlisted them, like to enroll for programs to increase my skills in computers, like AutoCAD, MS Office, and also skills in marketing. In all of this, as Chauhan sir had taught us in one of the talks, to maintain a to-do list, which is very, very crucial. Small steps, steady steps, and achieve great things over a period of time. So to maintain a to-do list. The next important thing is to have wealth. To create wealth, one is already the job that I have. Eventually, I would want to, as the business grows, yes, the revenue would flow from there. But as of now, the two income sources that I would have is from saving, and secondly is through investment. So the wealth I need is for why? Is to have a better house for my family, and for leisure to have a house. I already have a place in Goa, so I want to build a holiday home in Goa. Yes, from comfort point of view, also to have a vehicle. I put a picture of Tata Nexon there. So the 1.5 year is the time that I have given to fulfill this goal. I have also put in affirmations to repeat daily, like I am successful, I am happy. There are several affirmations which I would start repeating to myself every day to be in the positive state of mind. Of course, travel has been a passion. Presently, with my wife, I would like to travel these 4 places: to Bhutan, Jaipur in the next year, and in 23 to Kashmir and Kerala. The social responsibility, as we are gaining from this world, it is our responsibility, a primary responsibility, to also give. I put here a picture of joy of giving. To giving, in terms of giving, the most important goal close to my heart is to help underprivileged children or those who are financially weak, to help them in their education. I have already set up a target, how much I need to give it. And in the next 3 months, I would achieve this goal and have an incremental value to that every 6 months. Inspired by Karthik sir, this was never in my list, but inspired by him, yes, from the aspect of environment, I would also start with planting trees, at least start planting 5 trees a month. In hobbies, yes, you can, at a given point of time, you may talk to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour with your friends. There would be some exchange of words. You can learn something. But a book written by someone is the extract of all they believe in, and they put it in a book. So I want to make it a habit to talk to all these people through their books for self-development. That is a target of reading at least 2 books in a month. And traveling is my passion. At the end, all of whatever I have set the goals for, my punchline, I have 2 things, is to practice, practice, and practice. And yes, I can do this. Thank you very much, RYB, for giving this platform, for formulating or putting my thoughts in perspective, and all of you for your time, for listening to me.